What's going on, guys? It's me, Brownie, and there's a thunderstorm on the way. Don't know if it's going to be severe or not, but might as well see. Make sure you give me the 3K subs for the end of June, and I'll soon transition for when the storm gets here. But first, this is what we're looking at. It doesn't look bad yet, but remember, it's strengthening right now, so it doesn't look bad yet, but that's going to strengthen and come to us. Let's do the transition to when it's almost here. Alright, so it is starting to rain a little bit, and it's just like the beginning, but the storm is getting really close, so we'll see. That was loud. Wow, right? Okay, I'm not even joking. That was right after I ended that clip, and the thunder came. So the storm's definitely getting close. As y'all just heard that thunder, I hope. Storm's definitely it's getting close, and that was loud, so it could be a sign of severe thunderstorm. I don't know. If you can't really tell, it's raining a lot more now. I don't even know which storm is which. There's like, we get one and then it seems like there's another one, so yeah, it's hard to tell now. Wind is picking up just a bit, but after that one thunder or lightning strike, there wasn't another. I was riding and I didn't hear another. But it definitely is raining a lot more. The wind is definitely picking up. Yeah, it's raining a lot more now. It hasn't really gotten windy necessarily yet, but I can definitely tell the wind is picking up. Only time will tell. But that right there, that's what's going to be the heavy rain most likely. It's going to probably bring the winds. I don't know yet. Yeah, now it's really raining. Squirrel! Just climbing a tree. Okay, but seriously, the wind's like actually starting to pick up a ton now. The rain's okay. Okay, now it's really raining. And the wind's picking up too. Just by that trash can. Now it's like raining, bro. Oh, snap. It's getting windy. Oh, snap. Okay, it's actually starting to get really windy now. That tree. Oh, he's blowing. Oh my. Oh my god. Can you guys see that tree? You see how the leaves are tiny? It's because they're blowing to the side. It's getting really windy too. I might head inside. Rain's gonna get in here soon. Alright, inside I go. It's getting too wet. Okay. I don't know why I chose this view. It's actually... Yep. Yeah, it's windy. And it's... Okay, I'm closing the door. Yeah, look at that tree. The big trees are moving.
I mean, it's just a lot of water coming down.
No, it's the wind.
I see it more windy, but the big tree is back over there.
Yeah, it's because they're higher up, obviously, so.
Yeah, it was just...
It's more windy higher up. Seems like it's not that windy anymore, but again, time will tell. So it definitely is windy, that's for sure. It's not that windy anymore. It ended really quick, but the wind picked up on camera too. Starting to get a little windy again, and it's also like pouring now. Can't really see it that well on camera, but it's pouring, like pouring. But I can tell the wind's picking up now. It looks like it a lot. Look at how curled that is. It's not too curled, but like, it was really curled and I missed it. Look at that curl. Kind of curling. Bro, it's puddling right there. What? And now all of a sudden it's calming down. Wow, man, look at that spider. Yida. Well, the rain's coming down and it's getting bright. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. My hair does not want to do its thing today because water park. We went to the pool yesterday and I tried to get some clips, but the whole video failed, so I had to delete it. I don't know what happened. But the storm's calming down, it's passing, and next thunderstorm will be tonight, which I will not record because I know it's not going to be severe. So make sure to give me the 3K subs before the end of June. And if you watched the whole video, comment down below. Comment down below severe.